Hello, let me show you how you can try to fix the sound quality issues of your JBL Go Essential 2nd generation. So I've got actually 3 tips for you. The first one and the most basic tip, you have to just simply try to repair this speaker with your device one more time. So what you have to do is just to simply open the Bluetooth settings, unpair your speaker like that, and then simply just click on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. You will hear beeping sound. And now switch off Bluetooth on your device, then turn it on back and select your JBL Go Essential 2nd generation from the list. If it is not working and you still have sound quality issues, you can simply try to check the equalizer settings on your device. So in the iPhone you can find equalizer settings. There we go. By going into the YouTube music, just simply try to, for example, turn off equalizer or change it into the default preset. You can also try to do this in your phone settings. So in this case, it was actually for Apple Music, but you can find equalizer on Spotify, Tidal, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and in some phones, like in the Android phones especially, you can find the main settings of the equalizer in the system settings of the phone. So we can try to reset them or pick up the default or the different preset. And if it is still not working, you can, for example, try to place the speaker on a solid and flat surface, especially if bass is lacking. The surface acoustics make a big difference. And if it is still not working, you can try to perform a hard reset by holding volume up button and the Bluetooth button when your speaker is turned on. So you will have to click and hold it for around 10 seconds until the speaker turns off. And then what you can do, right now you can probably hear that turn off sound, so it means that we performed the reset. And you can just turn it on back, click on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode.